right, so this was my advanced buried, and it presented a few challenges, so I thought I'd talk about it. So first off, I had 2 hot containers since it's advanced buried. I had 1 hot container right here, and the second one was all the way back here in this corner. Now, each one had 2 distinct plumes. This one was actually traveling this way, swirling right in this corner. However, it also, because there was a ton of air movement, had some non-clear lines that just kind of traveled out in a little bit of a swirly cloud in this space. My first one, this one, had beautiful lines going straight down the wall this way, including popping off of this, and all the way down the wall here. Several dogs actually worked it off of this stonework on the wall to go back to source. So that one was very clear that way. However, the challenge, this one, same thing, both hides also had a lot of non-clear odor that was just moving through the space because our airflow is swirling. We've got a roof over our head, we've got sun, we've got shade, we've got rising temperatures, and then we've got 2 hallways that are actually coming into this courtyard. And so all of that is causing a ton of airflow and a ton of movement in what our odor is doing. Additionally to that, I don't know if we can see it easily in the video, but we've got a slight slope to the way the floor itself is built, causing things to go like this. So we had clear lines and clear lines. However, we also had a lot of unclear pictures that dogs weren't always sure how to work. So we had a lot of falsing in this search, and we had it everywhere. We had it here, here, there, there, and there. Pretty much the only container that was not falsed on was actually this container. That was the only one that was not falsed on. Every other container was consistently falsed on through the search because of our airflow. And because, as I was watching dogs, I could see that we had a lot of inexperienced dogs who could recognize odor. However, they didn't always recognize how to work it back to source, especially if it was getting caught and trapped in the water molecules where our other containers were, where our odor, or where our water was dissipating due to the heat. So it was a little bit of a difficult search for them. However, the dogs that succeeded looked absolutely amazing, and the dogs that didn't succeed still had some very brilliant moments. Happy hunting.